Hello learners, our today's topic is significant figures. Significant figures find its application in physics. In math, today we are going to learn how to find out the significant figures in a given number. For that, we need to follow certain rules. Mind you, you don't have to learn up these rules. But if you understand and you follow and then you practice, you will come to know it's very easy. But again, don't learn up the rules. Just understand. First rule, all non-zero digits are always significant. Now, what do you mean by non-zero digits? Digits from 1 to 9. All the digits from 1 to 9 are non-zero digits and they are always significant. For example, see 274. Exactly, 3 significant figures. 25.742, 5 significant figures. 6128.3, 5 significant figures. 8.834, 4 significant figures. Here we can see all the digits are from 1 to 9. And as I said, all digits from 1 to 9 are always significant. So rule number 1 is clear. Rule number 2. Zeros between significant digits. That is 0 if between digits 1 to 9 is always significant. For example, 504. It is 3 significant figures. Why? Because there is a 0 between 5 and 4. Next, 60002. 5 SF. Why 5? Because zeros are between 6 and 2. 9.077. 4 SF. The decimal is not taken into consideration. We are just looking at the 0. The 0 is between SF digits, then it will become significant. 382.04. Again, 0 is between non-significant digits. So that 0 is significant. So 382.04, 5 SF. Let's understand the next rule. All final zeros, very important, final zeros to the right of the decimal are always significant. 32.0. See, it's a 0 which is following the decimal point. Then this 0 will be significant. 0 to the right of the decimal. Well, so now 32.0, it is 3 significant figures. Same way, let's check 17.080. This 0 is significant because it is between significant digits, remember? And this 0 is also significant because it is at the right of the decimal. So this will have 5 significant figures. 4.000, 4 significant figures. 4.0, 2 significant figures. Clear? Now, let's do one thing. Following the 3 rules, we'll try to solve this exercise. 427. How many significant digits? 3. Correct. 4.27, 3. 4027. Yes, it's 4. This 0 is counted because it is between significant digits. 4.027. Again, 4 significant digits. 72.04. Yes, 4 correct. 6.3. 2 significant figures. 6.30. This 0 because it is at the right of the decimal. So 6.30, 3 SF, 6.300, 4 SF. Is this much clear to everyone? Okay, now we'll go to the next rule. Now, the most important thing. Zeros are significant only under two conditions. First, either they are between significant digits or are final thing at the end of the decimal. Now, let's take some examples and understand. Again, zeros are significant only if they are between significant digits or are final at the end of the decimal. Now, let's say 200. Here, these zeros are not significant. So, this has only one significant figure. Why? These zeros are not significant because they are neither between significant digits nor they are at the end of the decimal. Clear? Now, let's take another example. 2.0. This 0 is at the end of the decimal. So, this 0 will be significant. So, this will be two significant figures. 2.00, 3 SF. 350. We will say it is only 2 SF. Why? Because this 0 is not satisfying any of these two conditions. 35.0. This 0 is significant. Yes, so it's now 3 SF because it is the final thing at the end of the decimal. So 35.0 is 3 SF. 0.0035. These zeros not significant. Why? Because again they are not between any significant digits. They are not between digits from 1 to 9, nor are they at the end of the decimal. 0.00350, 3 SF. 84,000, that's 84,000. These zeros are again not significant, so 2 SF. And 84.000. All these zeros are significant because they are at the end of the decimal. So this will be 5 SF. Let's have a recap of significant figures. The rules, all the rules which I have explained before, I have explained over here in short. For example, the first rule, digits from 1 to 9. All digits from 1 to 9 are always significant. Now 0. You can have three types of zeros. The first we call is a trapped 0. If it is a trapped 0, it is always significant. What do you mean by trapped 0? A 0 which is between 1 to 9 digits. So over here 4062. 4, 6 and 2 are significant digits. 0 is between them. So it's trapped. So 4062 is 4 SF. Leading 0. Leading 0 is never significant. So 0.0032. These zeros, they are leading zeros. So they are never significant. So here there will be only 2 SF. The next is the trailing 0. Trailing 0, either if it is with a decimal, it is always significant. For example, 34.0. So this is a trailing one with a decimal. So it will be significant. So we will say it is 3 SF. If it is without a decimal, there is no decimal, then it is not significant. So 340, we will say it is 2 SF. I hope it's clear now. Thank you, learners.